Hello, fellow enchanters of the Flutter realm. Today, we embark on a magical journey through the mystical lands of UI and UX design, crafting an e-commerce application that will leave users spellbound. In our spellbook of code, we shall weave the threads of Flutter to create a seamless experience. Our tale begins with the dazzling creation of a splash screen. Let's kick off this Flutterific adventure by conjuring up a brand new Flutter project. I'm naming it Laugh Cart because, why not? That's what our app will be all about, spreading joy and laughter. So, grab a comfy seat, pop a chill pill, and relax while Android Studio, or whatever wizardry IDE you've summoned, works its coding magic. Abracadabra. Android Studio has completed its spell, and now we're diving into the mystical realm of the main.dart file. Time to banish the ancient relics, say goodbye to the My Homepage class. We're creating a new kingdom of organization, starting with a directory named Screen. We want our code to be as clear as a crystal ball, even for those non-developer sorcerers. Now, within this enchanted screen directory, let's summon a file called splash_screen. Why, you ask? Because, in the kingdom of apps, the first impression is everything, and that's where our splash screen reigns supreme. Behold, the creation of a stateful class named Splash Screen. Don't forget to import the material package, so our incantation is error-free. Now, back in our spellbook, code, let's craft a scaffold, give it a body, and in that body, let's fashion a centering spell. Voila! Our image shall be perfectly centered, as if by the magic of unicorns. Time for a detour to the pubspec.yaml file, our potion recipe book. Uncomment those two lines under assets and create a magical directory named assets. Ensure your indentation is on point, like aligning the stars, and assign the assets folder its rightful place. This way, our image.asset widget can summon assets with ease. Lastly, in a grand finale, transport your image to the assets folder. Picture it as the hero's journey, your image embarking on an epic quest to reside among the assets. Congratulations, you've successfully relocated your image to the asset folder, a commendable feat in the magical land of Flutter. Now, let's warp back to the men.dart file, bid farewell to the old My Homepage and toss those ugly comments into the abyss. Ah, the sweet sound of silence without comments cluttering our incantations. No need for titles here. Our splash screen commands attention without unnecessary distractions. Now, let's journey into the realm of the splash screen. Bestow upon our centering spell a child, an image.asset, to be precise. The image asset visitation is now defined, guided to the path of your image. In my enchanted realm, it resides in the assets folder, bearing the name laugh_cart.png. Inform your spell of this path. With anticipation, let's run our app and gaze upon the magic you've conjured. Patience, dear sorcerer, for the brewing of spells takes time. While we await the manifestation, I shall weave another screen into existence. Behold, the homepage. Craft a stateful widget, name it homepage screen, and import the material package to banish any lurking errors. Ah, the sweet sound of success. Xcode builds, the app is installed, and our image is gloriously centered. Yet, a conundrum. The image clashes with the background. Fear not, for changing the background color of the screen. Use the background color property in the scaffold. But wait, in the spirit of organized code, venture into the creation of a new directory named theme. Inside this realm, a file emerges, opcolor. In this file, the magic of colors unfolds with a class named opThemeData, housing the mystical light theme. Define the primary color with the hash code of your image background, a personal touch using the ancient art of Canva. But beware, dear adventurer, before entering the splash screen, ensure the incantation of your theme is uttered in the main.dart file. Without this utterance, Flutter may summon default themes, disrupting the harmony of your enchanted realm. Ensure the static nature of your theme data. No need for needless instances in this magical symphony. Your Flutter journey continues, weaving spells, crafting screens, and transforming the mundane into the extraordinary. Onward, brave coder, and may your code forever be enchanting.